What if I told you? Jumping rope for just 10 minutes a day can change your body faster than jogging for 30. Yeah, and it's kind of fun too. Before we jump in, pun intended, tap that like button, hit subscribe, or drop a comment if this helps you. It really keeps the channel going and means the world to us. Benefit 1. Burns fat like fire. Jumping rope is like setting your fat on fire. Just 10 minutes burns roughly the same calories as 30 minutes of jogging. Your body becomes a calorie-burning machine. Belly fat, love handles, they start melting, like butter on hot toast. Benefit 2. Supercharges your heart. Your heart. It loves jump rope. It's like giving your heart a workout hug. The steady bounce makes your heart pump stronger, lowers bad cholesterol, and helps blood flow better. That means more energy, fewer sick days. Benefit 3. Builds legs plus core. Without weights, your legs will start looking tight. Your core, more solid than your mom's old spaghetti. That little bounce works your calves, thighs, and abs, all while standing in one spot. No gym needed, no weird machines, just rope and rhythm. Benefit 4. Boosts brain power. Want a smarter brain? Start skipping. Jump rope boosts memory, focus, and coordination. Each jump fires your brain to sync timing, balance, and rhythm, like a dance party in your skull. Kids and adults both get sharper. Benefit 5. Makes you feel good. After just a few minutes, your brain releases happy chemicals called endorphins. These little mood ninjas kick stress in the face, calm you down, and make you feel like a superhero with a jump rope. Benefit 6. Improves your posture plus balance. Jumping rope fixes your slouchy back without even trying. It forces your body to stay upright and stable. After a few weeks, you'll notice you're standing taller, walking smoother, and falling less. Unless you're just clumsy, then good luck. So, 10 minutes, a rope. That's all it takes to level up your body and brain. Want to know what happens when you walk for 60 minutes every day? Keep binging with the next 2 videos on screen. And hey, let us know in the comments, are you grabbing a rope today?